Kaya pala traffic, yun o, tatlo.
Oh my God!
Tatlong motorcycle. Yung tatlong motorcycle, yung isa, yung doon sa baba, sa gilid. Ayan. Ayan. So panoorin na lang ang buong video natin dito sa Aurora, Cubao, Quezon City, Manila, Philippines. So panoorin ang mga buong video. Nandito na motorcycle crash accident in the crossing of the Aurora, Cubao, Quezon City, Metro Manila, Philippines. That's why. So ito ating intro sa ating YouTube channel at itong ating intro sa ating Facebook page. Bari Isper pa Proceedings Vlog. Dito, ayan, itamurin nyo. Tulad nyo. Yan o. Ang banggaan po, tatlong motor.
Oh my God!
Cycle. Ang banggaan dito sa Aurora. Bakit po yan? Ayan. Dito sa crossing yan. Crossing ng Aurora. Ayan ang bilang. Kaya pala traffic, yun o, tatlo.
What?
Tatlong motorcycle. Motorcycle yung isa. Yung sa baba, sa gilid. Ayan. Ayan. So, kaya nagkatapik-traffic dito.
What?
Ito. Cubao, dito sa Aranita. Sa Farmers, malapit sa Farmers yan. Dahil tatlo na motorcycle, sa 3 motorcycle. Ayaw, buhay ko ba yung...
What?
Yan po, panoorin niyo po dito sa ating vlog, sa YouTube natin i-upload dito. Dami katapit-trapit. Tatlong motorcycle, 3 motorcycle in the Aurora, Cubao, Quezon City, Manila, Philippines. Yung motorcycle. Ayan, tatlo. Banggaan.
Oh my God!
Dito sa Aurora, Cubao, Quezon City, Manila, Philippines. That's why the accident, the motorcycle here, and the crossing of the Aurora, Cubao, Quezon City, Manila, Philippines. The proof of the motorcycle. Grabe ang mata mo ng motorcycle.
Oh my God! Surrounding the Aurora, Cubao, Quezon City, Metro Manila. So much for the watching and finish in the whole video in my YouTube channel and Facebook page. No, I am a YouTuber. Bye. And look at that. Motorcycle accident are in the crossing Cubao.
Metro Manila, Philippines, her, and the Philippines in the Metro Manila.
So nice.
Thank you so much for the watching in my video, in my YouTube channel. Take care always. If you drive in the highway, it's the avenue here, in the Metro Manila, here, take care and always slow down for the driving here in the Itza Avenue. Thank you so much. And her and all over the world, thank you so much watching all over the world. Sama tayo sa lapalap ng teknik at dito sa ating bansang Pilipinas. OFW, thank you so much. God bless and bye-bye.